Assalamu alaikum. I am engineer Ashfaq Ahmad Zafar. I did my bachelor degree in chemical engineering from UET Lahore in April 1984. I did my MBA from University of Wa during the year 2005. Finally, I completed my MS degree in chemical engineering from MNSUT Multan. After completing my degree in chemical engineering, I joined a chemical plant of Fauji Foundation, wherein I served for 3 years as shift engineer. Here, I had an opportunity to work in their balancing, modernization, replacement, and extension program to increase the capacity. Thereafter, I entered into Pakistan Ordnance Factory Vacant, which is a huge industrial complex in Defense Production Division, wherein I worked for 30 years in their field of production planning, purchase, procurement, quality control affairs, supply chain management, health, safety and environment affairs. I had the opportunity in receipt of my MS degree in chemical engineering from Chancellor and Governor Punjab Engineer Mr. Baleegh Rahman in the event of first convocation held in MNSUT Multan. Currently, I am looking forward to get enrolled in PhD Chemical Engineering. That's all from my side. Allah Hafiz.